is News 6 at 9 a.m. Getting results.
Tax season is underway, filled with refunds, deductions, and delays. This year, millions of Americans are eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit.
It's a tax break that 1 in 5 Americans don't claim. $794 million was left on the table for 2020, and it's valuable money that can be used for things like rent and groceries and utilities. Well, Heart of Florida United Way is encouraging low-income households to apply for the EITC credit. Anchor Bridget Ellison spoke with a financial stability initiatives manager on the best ways to get results.
So how is Heart of Florida United Way working with the public to make sure that people get the most out of their tax returns this year?
So Heart of Florida United Way partners with the IRS every single year to start up the VITA program. And they are volunteers. They run by volunteers. It stands for Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, in which we go to our tri-county areas, Osceola, Orange, and Seminole County. And we have different VITA sites that are all run by volunteers again. And we provide free tax preparation services to those low to moderate income folks in our community.
And what's different about this year? Because there have been, different payments that have gone out depending on your household. And then some people didn't get all of those payments. So how does that factor into the tax preparation?
There's quite a few changes. With the advanced child tax credit alone, those families were able to receive half of their child tax credit in monthly installments. Now, since that has ended, the way that they can receive the other half of their child tax credit is by filing a return. And that part is very important because they do not just receive the money automatically. They do need to file their return in order to receive that other half. Another change that is happening this year is the Earned Income Tax Credit. Now, historically, you have to be between 25 to 64 in order to receive and qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit. Now, with this change in this year, they may actually be able to qualify from the age of 18. So that is an additional almost $1,600 that one may get in their pocket as a very young individual going out into the world. That money is invaluable. In order to receive the Earned Income Tax Credit, you would need to be within the income limits that they provide, whether it's from if you have no qualifying children to up to 3 qualifying children. There are many different little things that change it up. So the best thing we can do is, again, go to a VITA site or find different qualifiers online. Go to heartoffloridaunitedway.org/taxes, and you can find out if you're actually qualified right then and there.
And so when it comes to some of the resources like the preparation locations and free preparation, how is Heart of Florida United Way involved this year with that?
Number one is a 100% fully virtual site. Someone goes online, they are able to put all their documents online in a portal, and they get their return filed that way. There's also self-preparation through myfreetaxes.com. We also offer hybrid models, so someone can come into a VITA site, drop off their supplies, sign off all their forms, leave, and then come back to pick up their completed return, as well as always, an in-person site. And we do have VITA sites that assist with certain populations. For example, there's Center for Independent Living, and they are a site that assists directly with individuals who are deaf and or hard of hearing. Mm-hmm. So that is specifically for that population, which is very important that we would like to reach more of.
As far as a return time, the IRS has announced that tax returns can be issued in as soon as 21 days. But the Treasury Department is warning of more delays again this year. And do keep in mind, if you file an amendment, it could take even longer.
Yeah, the IRS wants to help you with those taxes. Even on Saturdays, the agency will offer walk-in help at 35 tax assistance centers across the country. But there are only 4 Saturday available times there. Starting this February 12th on the Saturday, the agency said it's part of a larger effort to help taxpayers this filing season. But keep in mind, it's already facing a huge backlog of unprocessed returns because of the pandemic. So it